Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarthak Kathuria and I am super excited today because I have shot an amazing video for you guys where you will be learning how to style your polo t-shirt in 5 different ways. So I've used 5 different polo t-shirts and styled them in different ways for you to take cues from and be able to be stylish with your polo t-shirts. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, do hit the like button, comment down below, also share it with all your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Until next time, keep it unaligned and goodbye.